take my money. Take my money.
What a disappointment. Really disappointed. Smells like rubbing alcohol. Ugh.
My bank account. Was it worth it? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be reviewing two perfumes. However, I'll do it in part 1 and part 2. Just in case you get confused, I actually filmed the first impression of my blind buys, so I'll just insert a few clips here and there. And in this part 1 I will be talking about Juliet Has A Gun, and let's get to it. I have them all in this box here and I am so excited. I have never smelled these before. I literally chose these fragrances based on the reviews on YouTube and also on Google as well. I initially wanted to buy Juliet Has A Gun, not A Perfume, mainly because I think the name is creative and also the bottles are fantastic. Sorry for swearing. The bottle design is really captivating until I went to the reviews and oh my god, what I read.
What a disappointment. Really disappointed. Zero alcohol but smells like rubbing alcohol. Ugh.
Wow, I can't believe I paid $58 for this.
Don't waste your money. It's not worth this less perfume. Rather disappointing. And I had high hopes for this
one. Alright, okay. Alrighty, I have it. The notes in here, so it has vanilla, white floral, woody notes, fruity, caramel, tuberose, warm, spicy, and you name it. Overall, I love the packaging. So this is the packaging. Let's see. Look at that, guys. Isn't that so cute? Wow, it's actually so tiny. I wish that I had gotten a bigger bottle because it just would have looked better. Okay, it's nice, lovely. It's quite fruity as well, and I guess that's the raspberry coming through, and it's not sickeningly sweet. That's nice. I'm not gonna complain or anything. Like, it's okay. I'm not mind blown. I'm not regretting the buy. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. I don't know how to describe it, but you know when you open like something new, like a new item, I don't know, like a new pair of shoes, like it has that kind of scent, like that new kind of like scent. My reaction wasn't exactly it was more like my bank account, was it worth it? On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say that this is probably a 5. So initially, I wasn't really a huge fan of this perfume. I could have lived life without it. But I was as soon as I got a compliment. Then my mind changed. I was like, maybe it is better than what I think. So then I started to like it a little bit more, you know, just because somebody else liked it. When I wore it out through the day, I realized that even though it doesn't have like a great projection, it's long lasting. Juliet Has A Gun is an already soft feminine perfume, and I would say that the projection power for this one lasts about 5-ish hours before it faints to a much more intimate vibe. Even though it's already an intimate perfume, it still lasts for up to 7 hours. It's actually pretty good, and I can tell you that it's definitely not gonna catch your crush's attention from a mile away because it's just not, it just doesn't project that much. So you might have to consider that one if you're thinking about impressing your crush or whatever. Yeah, just put that in your notes. When I envision somebody wearing this, I see a shy, almost reserved person, you know, who just doesn't try hard, but you know, people still get impressed. A young adult kind of vibe. So when you come up to her and you start talking to her, she's friendly, but she appears to be a snob a little bit. feel like this girl is vintage with a bit of twist. It's modern, so it's not like all the way vintage. It's just edgy. She's edgy, soft, and feminine. I forgot what I rated this perfume before, but now I have a scale. 0 being, oh my god, I do not like this perfume. I hate it. I wish I never bought it. Give me my money back, please. And then the 10 would be, oh my god, take my money. Take my money. Okay, so I would actually rate this a 7. And the reason why I'm saying this, so this is what stands out to me. The lasting power is surprisingly good, even though like after 4-ish, 5-ish hours it kind of faints. It's still there. You can still smell it, but you just have to come up real close. Projection power, definitely not that great. You can only smell it, I reckon, when somebody gives you a hug. That's when you kind of like, yeah, now I smell it, right? And the bottle is great. The name is unique. It's quite versatile in that I can wear it in different occasions, and it's not offensive. It's not an offensive smell, so it's much more easier to love, even, and it's not strong. Something nice and cash. I'll be reaching out for this one actually a little bit more. I do love the raspberry, and it's kind of giving me floral vibes as well. Now this is a unisex perfume, but I guess a guy can get away with it, but I think a girl can more so get away with this one. So this is Juliette Has A Gun. That's the actual name. I don't even know how to say it, but there will be a part 2 and I'll be reviewing another fragrance, so see that one. I just didn't want to make this video long. See you later.